Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jeffrey out in Wyoming on this new Ranger RCI X9. Jeffrey, got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment. Let's get right to it. Gonna turn the RF power all the way down. 50 watt slug. Got you at 2 watts all the way down. So you got full adjustability. Harrow, we're about 22 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. Whoa. 50 watts in the corner. Let me throw the 100 watt slug in there. Hello. That's 60 bird. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Let's roll the RF power all the way down. Hello. Still kills 150. Over to sideband. Hello, 1 2. Hello, 1 2. Hello. Floats around 120, 125. All right, my friends, ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bye bye.